Hummel Ultra Cruiser. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser is an outstanding all-metal ultralight that expertly balances simplicity with innovation. Designed to comply with Part 103 regulations, it boasts a lightweight structure of around 254 pounds empty and features detachable wings for convenient storage and transport. Equipped with a reliable 37 horsepower HAFW engine, the Ultra Cruiser offers excellent fuel efficiency and cruises smoothly at approximately 60 miles per hour. Its low stall speed, responsive controls, and gentle handling make it an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced pilots. Constructed with a strong aluminum airframe, this ultralight aircraft is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its well-engineered design ensures reliability, efficiency, and ease of maintenance, making it one of the most capable small aircraft in its class. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser remains a standout in ultralight aviation, providing a thrilling yet stable flight experience. Its combination of lightweight efficiency and robust performance makes it a favored choice among aviation enthusiasts. BBD-5. The BBD-5 is a groundbreaking ultralight aircraft that revolutionized personal aviation with its compact design and remarkable performance. Created by Jim Bead in the 1970s, this single-seat pusher aircraft showcases a sleek, aerodynamic profile that enhances both speed and efficiency. With a length of approximately 12 feet and a wingspan of 18 feet, the BD-5 is designed for agility and streamlined flight. Its efficient aerodynamics, coupled with a modest yet capable power plant, allow it to achieve impressive cruise speeds of around 120 miles per hour, making it a thrilling aircraft to fly. One of the defining features of the BD-5 is its kit-built construction, which emphasizes simplicity, affordability, and innovation. This approach has made it a favorite among home builders and aviation enthusiasts, allowing individuals to experience the excitement of assembling and piloting their own high-performance aircraft. Beyond its technical advancements, the BD-5 remains an enduring icon in aviation history. Its influence on personal aircraft design is undeniable, proving that small-scale planes can deliver both speed and maneuverability without compromise. The BBD-5 stands as a testament to groundbreaking aerospace engineering and visionary design. With its combination of performance, efficiency, and accessibility, it continues to inspire pilots and Stits Sky Baby. The Stits Sky Baby is a groundbreaking example of ultralight aviation, redefining compact aircraft design. Developed by racing enthusiasts in the early 1950s, this record-setting plane features an unconventional structure, with an open-air cockpit position atop a narrow fuselage. Its unique configuration sets it apart as an innovative milestone in aviation history. With a length of approximately 14 feet and a compact wingspan, the Sky Baby maintains an exceptionally lightweight build, weighing around 210 pounds. Despite its small frame, it is powered by an engine producing about 40 horsepower, offering impressive maneuverability and efficiency. What makes the Sky Baby remarkable is its ability to prove that minimal size does not mean compromised performance. Its ultra-lightweight construction, paired with an efficient aerodynamic design, allows for smooth handling and agility in the air. The aircraft's responsive controls ensure a stable and enjoyable flight experience. Beyond its technical capabilities, the Sky Baby stands as a testament to bold engineering and creative aviation design. Its minimalistic yet highly functional build highlights the ingenuity of its creators, demonstrating how small-scale aircraft can still achieve outstanding performance. The Stits Sky Baby remains an iconic symbol. Cri-Cri MC-15. The Cri-Cri MC-15 is a remarkable masterpiece of aviation engineering, recognized as the world's smallest twin-engine aircraft while still delivering a thrilling and powerful flight experience. Designed by Michel Colombin, this incredible home-built aircraft boasts a compact yet highly efficient design. With a wingspan of just 4.9 meters and a length of 3.9 meters, it manages to stay exceptionally lightweight, with an empty weight of only 78 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 170 kilograms. Despite its small frame, it offers outstanding performance that rivals larger aircraft in its category. Equipped with twin JPX engines, each generating 15 horsepower, the Cri-Cri MC-15 15 achieves a cruising speed of 185 kilometers per hour and can reach a maximum speed of 220 kilometers per hour. Its exceptional aerobatic capabilities make it an exciting aircraft for pilots who enjoy high adrenaline flying. With its nimble handling and ultra-responsive controls, the Cri-Cri MC-15 provides a level of precision that allows for tight turns, sharp rolls, and breathtaking loops, making it a true favorite among aviation enthusiasts. One of the most striking aspects of the Cri-Cri MC-15 is its incredible power-to-weight ratio, which significantly enhances its agility. The dual-engine setup not only ensures reliability, but also contributes to the aircraft's dynamic performance, giving pilots the confidence to push its limits. Every flight in this tiny aircraft delivers an exhilarating experience, combining speed, precision, and efficiency in a way that few other home-built planes can match. In addition to its technical excellence, the Cri-Cri MC-15 is also appreciated for its innovative and minimalist design. It represents the essence of home-built aviation, offering a perfect balance between simplicity and high performance. Whether used for aerobatics or casual flying, this aircraft ensures a thrilling experience that few others can replicate. Its lightweight construction and aerodynamic efficiency make it an outstanding choice for those seeking both fun and functionality in a compact flying machine. For aviation hobbyists and professionals alike, the Cri-Cri MC-15 stands as an inspiring example of engineering ingenuity. It continues to capture the interest of pilots who desire an aircraft that is both exciting to fly and efficient in design. Combining cutting-edge aerodynamics with a lightweight build, this aircraft delivers an unmatched flying advantage. Star Bumble Bee 2. The Star Bumble Bee 2 is an extraordinary example of aviation engineering, recognized as the world's smallest piloted airplane. Designed with minimalism in mind, this incredibly compact aircraft measures just 2.7 meters in length and features a wingspan of only 1.68 meters. Its tiny frame embodies efficiency and innovation, making it a standout achievement in aerospace design. Despite its diminutive size, the Bumble Bee 2 delivers an exceptional performance that defies expectations. It has an empty weight of only 180 kilograms and is powered by a Continental C-85 engine, producing 85 horsepower. This ultralight biplane can achieve a remarkable top speed of 305 kilometers per hour and boasts an impressive climb rate of 4,500 feet per minute. Its ability to accelerate and gain altitude at such speeds makes it a thrilling and highly capable aircraft. What sets the Bumble Bee 2 apart is not just its size, but also its outstanding maneuverability. The aircraft's compact structure, combined with its powerful engine, allows for precise control and rapid movements, making it one of the most agile small planes ever built. Whether in tight turns or rapid ascents, this tiny aircraft performs with remarkable ease, proving that size does not limit capability in aviation. The design of the Bumble Bee 2 is a true testament to the ingenuity of precision engineering. Every aspect of its structure has been optimized for performance, ensuring that it remains both lightweight and aerodynamic while maintaining impressive flight stability. It represents a bold step in aircraft innovation, pushing the boundaries of what a small, piloted plane can achieve. Beyond its technical achievements, the Bumble Bee 2 stands as an inspiration in aerospace history. It showcases how creative engineering and cutting-edge design can redefine traditional aviation principles. With its unique combination of speed, power, and efficiency, this miniature aircraft continues to captivate aviation enthusiasts and engineers alike. A marvel of modern aviation, the Star Bumble Bee 2 is more than just a record-breaking small airplane. It is a shining example of human ingenuity and the pursuit of groundbreaking aerospace advancements. Its ability to deliver high-speed performance in such a compact form cements its place as one of the most remarkable Legal Eagle XL. The Legal Eagle XL is a finely crafted ultralight aircraft that seamlessly blends simplicity with remarkable performance. Weighing just 246 pounds dry, it fully complies with FAR 103 regulations while offering a wider, taller seating arrangement and an expanded wing area to accommodate larger pilots. This well-thought-out design makes it one of the most versatile ultralights available today. Built with durability in mind, the aircraft features a welded 4,130 steel fuselage, ensuring structural integrity and longevity. Complementing the sturdy frame is an all-wood spruce wing with a wingspan of 315 inches and a chord of 55 inches, providing excellent lift and stability in flight. The combination of steel and wood creates a lightweight yet robust structure, making the legal Eagle XL both strong and easy to maneuver. This ultralight is powered by a reliable 30-horsepower half-EW engine, with an alternative option of a 23-horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. These engine choices allow the aircraft to cruise smoothly between 53 and 60 miles per hour while maintaining an impressively low stall speed of just 19 miles per hour. The gentle stall characteristics enhance safety, making it an excellent option for both novice and experienced pilots seeking a dependable ultralight aircraft. One of the defining features of the legal Eagle XL is its open cockpit design, offering pilots an immersive and thrilling flying experience. The unrestricted view, combined with the aircraft's smooth handling and precise controls, creates a sense of freedom that few ultralights can match. Additionally, its modular construction simplifies maintenance and ensures affordability, making it an attractive option for aviation enthusiasts looking for a cost-effective yet high-performing aircraft. Beyond its impressive performance and efficiency, the legal Eagle XL is designed with practicality in mind. Its lightweight structure allows for easy transportation and storage, ensuring convenience for pilots who require flexibility. The aircraft's thoughtful engineering and well-balanced aerodynamics contribute to an enjoyable and controlled flight experience, reinforcing its reputation as one of the most capable ultralights in its category. With its outstanding combination of efficiency, responsiveness, and innovative design, the legal Eagle XL remains a sought-after ultralight aircraft. Its blend of lightweight engineering, sturdy construction, and reliable performance makes it a true joy to fly, appealing to recreational pilots and ultralight aviation enthusiasts alike.